Good morning, YouTube friends. Today is day 32, November 25, 2022. As you can see here, we have lots of, I think almost all, like 70% of the fruits here remaining attached on the plant are turning red. See that? Um, I don't have time this morning to harvest these fruits here, YouTube friends. I don't have time. Actually, around today, this time is around like 30 past 6. We're supposed to be on our way to school because we have gate duty with my wife, but still we're here. I'm still on the process of finishing the edit of the second speech of one of the two of my students who are competing for the speech competition, and it's not that easy. Okay, so I will not stay long here. I'm just giving you a daily update regardless of how busy I am. So thank you for watching, YouTube friends. See you in the next. Bye.